All right, to knock out this clutch replacement, you're going to need a few tools: a 10mm wrench, an 8mm wrench-A 5mm Allen wrench, and a holding rod. First up, grab your 8mm wrench and loosen the 4 bolts mounting the gearbox to the clutch. Next, hold the retaining nut steady with a 10mm wrench, then back out the bolt using a 5mm Allen wrench. Once that's out, go ahead and pull the gearbox off. Now lock the clutch in place with your rod and break those bolts loose with your 10mm. Use the rod to gently pry the clutch loose and pop it off. Grab your new clutch, then just slide it right on. Next, put the mounting bolts back in. Hold the clutch in place with your rod again and snug down those bolts with your 10mm wrench. Next, put the clutch cover back on. Now, hold that retaining nut with your 10mm and tighten down the bolt with your 5mm Allen. Finally, tighten up the 4 bolts connecting the gearbox and clutch using your 8mm wrench. And there you have it. That's how you swap out the clutch.